Question 25. A restaurant owner experimented with different prices for the lunch special. The table shows the linear relationship between the price of the lunch special in dollars and the number of lunch specials sold on 6 different days. Based on the line of best fit, which predictions are true? Select 2 correct answers. All right, so I have a table and they said line of best fit. Line of best fit means I'm gonna have to graph these, put the points on the graph, right? And then I'm gonna need to draw a line kind of in the middle of them, like in the best place possible, which I'll talk about in a little bit. And they said which predictions are true. So we're gonna use that line of best fit to make predictions. And then we're gonna select 2 correct answers. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph our graph. Let's go ahead and grab our graph paper. You're gonna need graph paper. And we are going to make a graph to match this table. Now, before we begin, I want to remind you that on the left is the X, on the right is the Y. So this is basically, these are basically ordered pairs, okay? So we're gonna graph these points. All right, go ahead and grab your graph paper. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make an X and a Y. We're gonna need our ruler. Gonna do a line vertical for Y. Make sure whenever you draw your line, it should be on a line that already exists. Okay, and now for a horizontal line for my X. Okay. This is X, this is Y. All right, and here I'm gonna put 0. All right, so for the X, let's take a look at the X numbers. It looks like my biggest number is 11, and we do have some decimals. So what I'm gonna do is every little line here, I'm gonna make it 0.50 or 0.5, okay? So this is gonna be 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, etc., right? So 4, skip 1, 5. I'm going to go ahead and just keep going here. Remember, you can make your graph however you like. And then for the Y, it looks like my biggest number is 107. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pattern by 10. So I'm going to make this 10, 20, 30, etc. So let me go ahead and finish that. Make sure you're doing this along with me. I'm going to go ahead and stop at 110. Okay, and now I'm going to put the titles of the graph. So X is, so this is lunch special, right? The X is the price of the lunch special, so price in dollars. So these are like $1, $2, etc. And the Y is the number of lunch specials sold. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put the big title, which is lunch specials. And this one will be underlined. So graphs always have 3 titles. Make sure you put those in there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the points on the graph. All right. So it looks like I have 6.50, so 6.5 right here. 107. 107 is going to be a little more than 100 and a little less than 110. So it's going to be about right over here. Put a big point. All right, next one is 9.50, 9.5 to 78. 78 is between 70 and 80, but a little closer to 80. Okay, 7.25. 7.25 is less than 7.5. So right here between 7 and 7.5, and that's going to be 99. So that's almost 100. It's going to be about right here. Okay, 11, exactly, and 65. 65 is right between 60 and 70. Okay, and then we have 8.75. 8.75 is right between 8.5 and 9. So that's going to be right here, and that's 87. So that's going to be a little less than 90. Right here. And then we have 9.35. 9.35 is going to be less than 9.5, but a little closer to 9.5 than 9. And then 80. 80 exactly. Right here. Okay. So now you have your points. We're going to go ahead and make our line of best fit. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your line and you're just going to try your best to put it like where it touches as many points as possible and kind of in the middle of it and make it go all the way across. Okay, so I think that's as good as it's going to be. All the way across, all the way. Make it go all the way down. You never know if you're going to need to extend that graph. There we go. All right, now I'm going to grab another color because you'll see why in a second. So we have our graph. Now, they said based on the line of best fit, which predictions are true? So the first one says approximately 82 lunch specials would be sold if the price was $5. So let's make an ordered pair here. We're going to have an X and a Y. Now remember, the X is dollars. So I know they put this first, but this is not X. X is dollars. So that's $5. And then the Y is the number of lunch specials sold, which is 82. Okay, let's go ahead and do all our ordered pairs just like that. Remember, dollars is X. Dollars is X, and then lunch specials is Y. Again, 7.50, 102, 12.50, 74, 15, 28. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and put these points on our graph, and we're going to see which ones touch the line. If they touch the line, then they're good. If they don't touch the line, then it's not a good prediction. And remember, we're going to need to pick 2. Here we go. 5.82. So $5, that's going to be right here. 82 is going to be right here. What do you think about that? Is that touching the line or close to the line? No, so this is not good. Let's go ahead and try the next one. 6, 111. 6, 111. That's going to be a little more than 110. That looks like that could work, actually. I think that one's a good one. This one's a good one. I'm going to put a little check there. Okay, next is 7.50. That's right here. And 102. 102 is close to 100. A little more than, there we go. I don't think so. I don't think that looks good. That looks like it's going up. I don't think so, but I'll put a little X just in case. That could be the best one. Okay, 12.50. Okay, so do you see that? I had to extend it. So here we have 11. This would be 12. Here would be 13. So 12.50 is right here. 12.50, 74. 74, that's going to be right up here. Okay, absolutely not. Absolutely not. That's not good. Okay, and then we're going to do 15. So again, I'm going to have to extend, right? 12, 13, here will be 14. Here will be 15. Go ahead and extend that a little bit. Okay, they said 15.28. 15.28 looks like, wow, that looks like it hit it right there. So that one's good. So this one is not good. This one's better. All right, so I think we found our answers. Looks like it's 6, 111 and 15.28. So my 2 answers, remember I have 2, are the second one and that last one. Make sure you pick 2 or you're not going to get full credit. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know if you liked making a trend line. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.